This is a question that always comes up during interviews, no matter your level in your career. How do you handle multiple tasks or priorities with competing deadlines? I have a mental model for you that can help you to seamlessly answer this question, no matter your career level. I've used it, and recruiters are always amazed when I use this specific structure to answer this question. It's called the Eisenhower Matrix. This Eisenhower Matrix is divided into 4 parts, and if I were asked this question, this is how I would go about answering it. I would talk about a time at work when I had 3 or 4 projects at the same time, and then I would divide each project into each side of this matrix. The first part of this matrix is dedicated to important and urgent projects. So within those 4 projects, I'll talk about one that's important and urgent, and then I'll talk about the fact that it's a project that I would work on or prioritize to do immediately. The second part of this matrix are projects that are not urgent but important. Those are projects that you can reschedule because you don't need to do them now and you can reschedule them for later. The third part of this matrix are projects that are not important but urgent. So those are projects that you cannot do right now because you're doing the first project, but you can delegate to other co-workers. So that's how I would explain that I would do it. And the final part of this, if you're talking about 4 projects, are projects that are not important and they are not urgent. So these are all those small tasks that your boss will get you to do at work, but they matter like in smaller ways within the grand scheme of the work you do. So these are projects that you can either eliminate or come back to when you are less busy at work. So this is how I would use the Eisenhower Matrix to basically explain how I prioritize tasks. It's very useful during an interview because it's a structured way to talk about 3 to 4 different projects and what would help you to decide what project you're going to do, delegate, reschedule, or eliminate.